Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is so adorable. We're gonna walk through it. We're gonna do it together. It is not my own. I saw it somewhere on Facebook and it was so cute. I had to share it, so I'm gonna try to replicate it. I'm gonna kind of do a little bit different, but the original thought was not my own. But I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. It's too cute to pass up, you guys. All right, so everything I got from the Dollar Tree. So what we're gonna use is little baby washcloths. We're gonna use some foam ornaments, floral foam, and we're gonna use a little bunny. And this is for a different project. Okay, and this, and some cotton balls that I actually had here. So, do you guys know what I'm doing yet? Kind of the weird combination, but this is so cute. So anyway, let's get started and I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna take like a little rag that I have and kind of place it in here like a filler. So you can use whatever you want, and you could even buy the floral foam. You could use paper, scrunch it up, whatever. You could use anything. So we're gonna kind of get this, kind of take some cotton balls and cover this up. And then I'm going to place the bunny inside the adorable tub and then add more cotton balls for the bubbles. I'm going to take one of the baby washcloths, fold it, and place it over the bathtub. And then we'll add the Easter ornaments to it for some color. So what do you guys think? I think it's so cute, especially around Easter time for the kids. And I got the bunny with the long legs, and his legs are just over the tub and just all comfortable, enjoying the bubbles. So anyway, you guys, tell me what you think of this project and leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching. If you don't already subscribe, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.